Mr. Eduardo Domingo. The first expose, was very, very dangerous. It went very, very viral. And today, he's here again. Sir, I salute you.
I salute you too.
Daddy, please, how are you doing?
I'm good.
We thank God. We thank God. I think it's been long we met.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah, from the time we met till now, how are things going? Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. Because the only enemies I have are the likes of fake pastors. And I want to take this opportunity to warn everybody watching me. Don't say because Eduardo Domingo is attacking Bedu Kobi, so you can attack any man of God. I want to warn you particularly.
Okay.
We know who they will attack. We confirm that Bedu Kobi is a fake pastor. Because look, it is not now God is going to deal with you if you touch his anointed. The point is now, how do you know God's anointed? I know Bedu Kobi as a fake pastor. He has no business with God. That is why I'm doing this. Bedu Kobi has nothing to do with God. He's a liar. He's a killer. He's an occultist. That is why I'm doing this. As he's saying he has power to kill people, I have challenged him. He should try. He has tried with me, and he knows he won't do it again. You understand?
Mr. Domingo, we'll be a bit circumspect here. If you say he has tried that with you, I quite remember in our last interview, yes, I was even giving him a title like a prophet, and you told me it's difficult for you to call him.
I cannot call him a prophet. This is a man who has used knife in occultic practice to stab me. Look, everybody who was in what they call it, his glorious wave, at the time I was there, knew that I would be the first target. And those who are doing juju for him, voodoo for him, they told him that this day will come. And that is why he tried. But he fears now, he won't try it. All the things you say, killing people, nobody. I'm telling you again, no one can appeal to God to kill another. God will not do it. What he's doing is voodoo. It is not God. Because God has spoken. He has given you your days. He has given you your time. No man, God is sovereign. No man can ever go to God and say, kill another. But there's something.
So, Mr. Domingo, what you're saying is it's an error. You feel that when somebody says, I went before God and I prayed.
It's not God. It's not God. It's going before.
Okay.
God has settled the issue.
Okay.
But do not touch my anointed. So if you are unlucky and you are not you don't know your facts, and you go and do what I'm doing with Bedu Kobi, with any man of God, it may be very dangerous for you. Because it is written by God. It's not God's going to decide. So none of us can come and say, oh God, is any prophet, if I attack Reverend Osubempa now, the danger is that if truly in the house of God, he is his man, is his anointed, the danger is settled. I will get the repercussion. It's not that he will go and beg God, God kill him for me. No, Bedu Kobi is a liar. He doesn't even know the Bible.
Mr. Domingo, I want to, today I'm a bit going to press you.
No problem.
Do you have any personal problem with the said man of God? Do you have any problem with him? Listen,
it's not a said man of God. Bedu Kobi is not a said man of God. I don't hate him. I don't hate. Look, when you hate, you worry yourself.
Okay.
Okay, you hate somebody. He goes to get Sikaduru, he make money. Right? Because you hate him, you start to be angry. Ah, God, why did you bless this man? He's a wicked man. You understand me?
Yes,
because you hate him, you are worrying yourself. Hatred is not good. It only worries the hater. And he will be controlling you, your life. When you go and use the Sikaduru to get money, buy aeroplane, you'll be worrying yourself. It's not God who did it for him. It's Satan who did it for him. And you are worrying yourself. When you hate somebody, it controls you.
Okay.
Because everything he does, you understand me, will worry you.
All right. Okay.
But God did not allow us to hate.
Okay, so today, what are the things we are going to be dealing with? You spoke to me about deception, occultic sacrifices,
That's
and
right.
murder.
There's some footage which I would like you to put on.
Okay, we'll put that footage on when it's ready.
Yeah, when you put it on, then I will show you the kind of regime Bedu Kobi was practicing in his church, in his shrine. I would say the church is an apology to call that one a church. But you know, I've told you how he buried money and juju in the place you are going to. And I want to tell you,
money and juju where?
yes, in the church,
in his
in the foundation, yes.
Okay.
Everybody who was there in my time heard it. Now, Bedu Kobi, that you are calling a man of God, it is an apology to call a man like that a man of God. He's a killer. Let me tell you, first of all, the aspect of the killing spree of Bedu Kobi. Now listen very well, so that you can know that Bedu Kobi, you are in his church. I know your end. I sit down, and I'm not God. I know your end. I know that you will end up the same way others have ended up. Bedu Kobi will kill you one by one. Now listen to this very well. One Sunday, I went to Bedu Kobi's church. And when I got there, service went on according to his charade. Then Bedu Kobi called a young girl out, 19 years old. Her name is Monica. In case you want to check it out, or you want to investigate this, at that time I was staying at Paraku Estate. When you come out to Paraku Estate, not the Smithers Road gate, the Sakumono gate. Now, you will see on the left, before you reach the traffic light of the Smithers Road, you will see a group of people selling food, vending all kind of materials. This girl, Monica, happened to be a member of Bedu Kobi's church. I want you to take note, because you are all going the same way if you don't run now on Bedu Kobi. Now, Bedu Kobi just called her, "Come out, Monica." I know the girl, because the girls used to pack their beans is very good. My son went and bought one day. They took him to go and buy, and when they come home, it smelled nice, and I tasted it. From then, I was buying too.
Okay.
So, the girl came to church on this Sunday, and Bedu Kobi, he has had some discussion with them, consultation. So he came out and said that, "Monica, 19-year-old girl, come out here." Monica came out. Then Bedu Kobi announced, listen attentively, because this is a demon in the midst of men. Monica, who are the people who came with Monica? Who are his family? Her family. About 5 people came out. When they came out, to my chagrin, I've never seen a devil incarnate the size of Bedu Kobi. You know what he said? He said, "Monica here is a walking dead. She is dead. She's clinically dead. Nothing can save her. She's been killed. Nobody can help her. But you, the family, what I want you to do is go and start preparing funeral for Monica." The girl is standing there. Go and start preparing funeral for this young girl, because she's dead clinically. Nothing can save her. At that point, I left his church. I went home. My boy, Ben Hagan, he's an actor, and also he does location for films.
Okay.
Came and met me at home and said, "Did you hear what that madman said?" I said, "Don't worry about Bedu Kobi. He will suffer." Because that thing he did, when you pronounce on some people, they will just die. They will just die. Many people have had that kind of voices before pronounced on them. But I realized Bedu Kobi is killing the member of the church one by one. You all go the same way. Don't worry. Look, the story has never been different. Now, when we got home, I saw my boy and we spoke, I have an oil called coconut virgin oil. I had about 3 bottles. It was expensive by all standards then. So I took one of the oil. I said, tomorrow, Monday, we are going to see the girl and then show that Bedu Kobi is a liar.
That is after the prophecy.
After the prophecy.
That he said nobody
can
see.
Nothing can help her.
Okay.
She's dead. The only thing they can do. He had man of God. Is that a man of God? He has killed the girl, with his juju. He want to be nation's prophet. So when that happens, who will not believe a murderer like Bedu Kobi? So we went on Monday and met the girl and the sister, and I said, "Don't mind Bedu Kobi, he's a madman." With the little prayer. In fact, I prayed on that day, I see 10,000 devils was after me. We prayed, and I gave the bottle of coconut oil, virgin oil, to the girl, because it's supposed to heal all ailments. And I told them that when you finish this, go to Barcelona Total supermarket and buy another bottle. Take it until You feel okay. So we started waiting. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. The girl was not dead yet. His pastor, Pastor Ben, asked him, Asamoah, he can confirm this. And some of the people who are in the church then, they can confirm this. So 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, about a year and a half later, I left the place. And then we were driving past one day. The girl was looking so nice and fat and beautiful. Today, around this time, it's the 13th year. Since Bedu Kobi tried to kill the girl, she's still alive today. Now, you want to tell me you don't know that he was cursing the girl? He wanted to kill the girl. The same fate awaits you all. All of you who think you are going to church, you are going to a shrine of Bedu Kobi. You hear him saying that? I challenge you, Bedu Kobi. If you say you have powers, you know, you won't go there. You know me. You have tried. So, but if it is shooting, we all shoot. You understand me? That is no problem at all. You will find out also that my God can dodge bullets. You're a foolish man. Now, again, Bedu Kobi, the blood you have been, it is in blood. The man is a vampire.
We'll be coming to that. Before we come to that, there's a video I want to share with Papa. Papa, Mr. Domingo,
I'm surprised, but the all can.
Okay.
And the all can also so. Men Anna men pursue be beginning say a beer or be BT Bedu Kobi.
Okay.
But so shade the way Mr. Domingo Casana. I would him say any ya say obidin yamidin. Yes, sir.
Let me be bisa question we say. As a 2020 Unyame ye bibi wa showing but yentiase. Papa now machi na papa ni now na mekasa. And you were expressing your pain as to why send for saying nyame adwuma. Ne nyame easy be fiasa. Papa 2020 apart from COVID-19 when it comes to the church who is saying?
Me da say. I'm say a drew brebia. I want say Onyankopon ewo so na safo. Emma nea eye enhaban a edwan titigu. Aba ewodua no so apro no o se titigu. Neka aba papa. Me de minim ne say heaven. And say yam peso bi ebeko hell. Yakoma so ade nyina ne so nipa bia be hu ya Awurade Yesu Kristo ya gye nkwa no. A obi wuji wiase nyina nkwa no. We a kyede bi anyame ede ne kye adasamba. Nanso so no akoye bibi ti say ase ebinum abefra nyame asofo emu a ye hunu papa ne bone na de me yakora ne say ewo yamma mu hanom a ye Ghana ha no se sofo ba ko pebi eye bribia se obi ka o se asofo a wo Ghana asofo a wo Ghana asofo ni nyina eno na ne ha me san say papa me ka bibi kakra bi na me fama no nsi the honorable Kennedy Japan ebinum say or attack Christianity ebinum kura say or attack Onyankopon ebinum kura say or attack asofo wo Ghana ha ba me no me hu ne saa o me hu say or attack the fake ones.
Okay.
Or attack Christians and onye na dwene say or say Christianity and now say men of God and now say nyame adwuma. But fake ones for no mu no. And no, and now we expose you omo. San say oh ya suffer. Na one hwe na ba bonten na be it say the honorable e beka so ani bre asofo no na o say wo mo. Ento an angle no onyame dia kofa no. Onyame dia fa obi a se be onye sofo eso. Eti the honorable Kennedy Japan ye no asofo obi support no. Na ye di nipa be say 10 ebegina no mo Ghana man mu hanuma metime aka say mu be 8 support no deɛ papa no yɛ no ɛno nti minim asɔfo bebrebe a ebinom kora ba out abɛka so mo support deɛ honorable KiII Japan ɛyɛ no ɛno nti no ma yɛmfa nea wɔyɛ no ɛntage ɔmanpanin nanado ma yɛnka sɛ MPP foɔ na ɛyɛ saa ɛyɛ honorable KiII Japan ɛna onim biribi about the fake prophets any fake men of God ɛna waba abɔnten ɛna wɔ expose wɔn mo ɛna wohwɛ nneɛma so ɛkɔ so a oprove sɛ ɔka ɔsɔfo bi asɛm a ɔka with proof na omu a omu call na 2 TV ɛkɔ cans mi omu ka with ɛno nti sɛ ɔhwɛ honorable KiII Japan program yi a ɔyɛ o show videos show audios enti wontumi nkasa nea a ɔka no ebi ɔde asɛm na ato obi so anaso omu sɛe obi o say ye strange say me tie na 2 TV na omu ye show no asɔfoɔ bebrebe bi akɔ hɔ no kora akɔ pakyɛw omu nsɛm ba out no akɔ pakyɛw ebinom guso pakyɛw na papa yɛde asɛm to so na nya no kora wo pakyɛw wonderful oh enunti no yɛnhunu sɛ papa no nyɛ sɛ bi a ne party na wɔ power nti wɔ attack Christians anaso wɔ attack nyame ana asɔfoɔ dabi na emom the fake ones na wo mu no me honorable KiII Japan me hu ne sɛ wo hwɛ papa no pa wo sɛ ɔmpɛ sisie wo sɛ onkrofo bi wɔ asase wɔ sie so a ɔmo mpɛ sisie ɛna ɔmo mpɛ so obi bebu obi sɛ obebu obi ana sɛ sɛbi obi a ne ho kyerɛ no na wo san bu no ɔho ɛno nti ni a ɔyɛ no me de me hu sɛ ɔwɔ abadayɛ ɛma sɛbi enipa ɛno nti no ɔmpɛ so ɔbɛtena no na obi ɛde n'adwene ana na ada a abu obi afa so ɛno nti ni a ɔyɛ no so no ɛbɛyɛ suadeɛ ama asɔfo mu so ba ama nyame bɛyɛ adom ama nea ɛnyɛ no nyame bɛyɛ adom ama ɛbɛfirim ɛna ɔmu so ɔmu ba no anka ɔmu nam saa kwan no so no ɔbɛhu sɛ no seesei sɛ woka sɛ ɔbɛyɛ nyamdwuma no akɔfa abosomsɛm ɛne ntrikese ne mefa sɛ dubious ways ka sɛ ɔde bɛyɛ nyamdwuma a sɛdeɛ Ghanafoɔ ani ada hɔ seesei no wontumi ɛmfa saa abosomsɛm no ɛne saa naadaa no ɛmɛbu nkurɔfoɔ ɛmfa Bible nto so enti deɛ honorable ɛyɛ no obie nkurɔfoɔ adwene mu ebi ne deɛ yɛ nua Dobingo ɛka ebi obi ntenase obie nkurɔfoɔ adwene mu ama ɔma hu biribi ɔhu saa de no ɛno nti no nea honorable ɛyɛ no ɛbɛboa asɔfoɔ a ɔmo te saa mpo megyitum sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so bebree ya bɛhye ɔmo ama ɔmo bɛsesa ebi asɔfo bi ɔno ma minim sɔfo bi nsɛm yi baayɛ asɛm bi a mete yɛ ba m'anim na nka asɔfoɔ bi ɛne ne kɔ akɔgye saa nnuro bi di ama no ɛma ɔkɔgyina baabi a ɔmo ka so onyina kora ntwɛn ɔmo kɔgyina yɛ a ɔtwɛn wɔn ɔno agyina hɔ din na ɔse ade a mekɔ akɔyi ɛnneɛma ɛkɔ so na nsɛn wɔ Ghana ha yi a asɔfoɔ mu di nnuro yi asɔre no mu gu ase yi deɛ mekɔ yɛ yi menim deɛ dakye bi ɛbɛto me ɛno nti sɛ ɔhwɛ honorable KiII Japan a ɔkasa a ɔbɔ asɔfoɔ bi din asɔfoɔ bi ɔma ba system no ma kyɛ ɛso still ɔmo da so gyina ɔmo na so ɛna ɔkyerɛ asɔfoɔ bi ɔmo baeɛ a ɔmo gye din bum yɛ hee a sesei yɛnte ɔmo nka bi ɛna ɔkyerɛ sɛ nea ne deɛ firi nyame na ne gyina na nea ne deɛ mfiri nyame na ne nyina na ɛfɔfele scriptures ɛfiri nyame ɛbɛgyina ɛmfiri nyame so a ɛnyina ti bra mede ma no ɛbɛsi ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ nyina timi bɔ papa na ba so ne yɛde mpaebɔ taa n'akyi san sɛ nea ɔyɛ me deɛ mehu sɛ nyame ɛna nam ne so yɛ saa deɛ no nyɛ sɛ bi a wɔatake asɔfoɔ na mmom wɔatake the fake ones ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a n'aban ɛna ɛwɔ ɛsoɔ nti ɔyusu ebi a n'aban sɛ wɔn aba power nti ɔde eko atia kristosom ɔnko tia kristosom o but because ɔno akora ɔkasa ɔsi ɔno no ɔyɛ kristoni ɔkɔ asɔre nti means ɔnyɛ n'anyi sɛ ɔko atia kristofo na emom fake asɔfoɔ no ɛna ɔno ɔmo wɔ bi ka nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn di nyame din ebu nkurɔfoɔ di nyame din twa nkurɔfoɔ akɔtutu nsuman de baabul ato so no ɔmo na ɔno ɔmo wɔ bi ka wohwɛ honorable KiII Japan a nea ɔyɛ ekura no ɔnhyɛ da paa so ɔde n'adwene kɔ side bi but adeɛ a yɛ ne ya ɛne nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn de bible ebu nkurɔfoɔ ɛno ɛne ɔno no adeɛ ɛha no na me deɛ me no me support no enti ne nea ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ kristosum seesei no megye tum paa sɛ nyame ahyɛ da sɔne ne yɛma so ami ehunu the genuine ones and the fake ones na ɛbɛboa yɛn ankasa Christopher.
But quickly we be say so because or supporting na ade ebia no osu say or the secret be pnt na or supporting na because a man for be so hu okrum say asofo na mo ka say mo support na him say mo secret be honorable when na mo ka say mo support na.
A very good point pa no am making.
That's right.
Honorable interview bi am say Asempa FM. Me sure say be Asempa FM. Say presenter no Obi.
Yeah.
That very nice gentleman. Or can the plain say, Honorable, and Crofo say, who's to so for Subempa? Anyone or Sophobi, and Nunti near O Cano. On fast, Sophono Mubi, Adentra. Tienio, Mimi Bomidin because me come in, dear.
That's right.
And a honorable bar out Becca say, me, Honorable Canada Japan. When I'm in Missouri, I was as we say so. I think I'm a pet.
Okay.
Nemo Sopho Subempa Mubonidi. Ye nhwehwemu ye hu bibi boni bi amfa ne ho and omo expose software omo ba me said the busa omo say what about Subempa.
Okay.
Omo can plain or see ba ko na friend demon breaker no sofo no friend demon breaker no also can plain say sofo no na mianim ni onka ye ho ye niama na ye no onka ye ho na matini din na minhu no sa akwa no so da na se meka bibi boni kra fa no na emia na makreti kade ato no so say minim any bad thing about sofo Subempa enu ntino honorable ubusa me sofo Subempa pa de I have nothing about Subempa minim so Subempa bunkrofo jo musika so Subempa kotu boson because time na me ne sa mrantie no enam na sa sofo no nam no yenim ya ho
Okay.
enu nti obi adamfo no obi adamfo edi so Subempa eye biribisa na wakogi nsuma bisa kana damfo bi mpo beka e de atodwa te sɛ deɛ me ne asɔfo bi nante ya mahunu sɛ deɛ ɔmotie no ko Subempa so asɔfo bi ne nante da ana ne ma asɔfo no bi committee de ne ho nsema ba abɔnten but papa no Subempa no nyamianum ni me demon breaker maintain ho asɛmbɔ ni bia
papa betumi abamu kakra am sɛ ɔmo bɛkasa wɔ na tu ni na no sɛ ɔmo ka ɔmo ye fake na ɔmo tai ka nyema bi sɛ ɔmo tonton nyema but efi tema nyame frɛ waton bi da
ya sɔre hɔnom obi di madanse yɛntɔn bibia wa so dem
about the consultation fee
menye consultation fee da menye bi so da
da nyame frɛ wo bi
e free da nyame frɛ mi besi nne menya asɔre nka sɛ me ye council e wo ma so dem a me te me office
okay
obi an first camera ansa na mahwew
that's right
menye bi da
all right
sɛ first camera ansa na mahwew rather ne momu kura no me ka de sɛ nyame anim nyam we kura de hu hia I don't want to go there
papa ntino amanfo oil ɔmo tonton cream ɔmo tonton no onton bi da wo asɔre
papa me masɔre fo mu hwɛ me di mi danseɛ masɔfo so di mi danseɛ media team wa ha sɔfo na krobia wa ha I believe sɛ sɔfo na kwasi wa cash mu nyina wa ha ɔsɔfo de sɛ wankasa wo ministry ntinya da bia na wo yɛ hɔ but at times ana ba hɔ enti sɛ nka me tonton bi kura nka wo behu
yes
at times kura sɔfo matata so ba hɔ kam tonton bibi kakra ana tonton bibi anko so behu menye bi da
that's right
sɛ me Subempa pa meka sɛ me tonton anointing oil anaasɛ even so bi mpo ba me hɔ ne apɛsɛ yi so anointing oil de bɔ mpa yɛ ma no sɛ de James chapter 5 verse 13 kan yɛ nim pa wonim mɛma wɔ nipa kora na kɔtɔ oil no ɛde aba na me de abɔ mpa yɛ ma wo
all right
ma sɔre hɔ koraa no me mpene koraa ma obi ntɔn oil ɛwɔ hɔ
okay
ɛna me so me ntɔn oil sɛ metɔn oil anaa metɔn semina anaa metɔn ebi a bundle ana bibi nku ana bibi never menya bi da in my life tina da bia me kasa na me kasa obi se onimi o Subempa mabuna gine sika edi da in the name of Yeshua ni pakronra out ebi si da
papa betumi video bi a kyerɛ ne ya back quickly
okay
I'm say be video bi a then tell me establishes our point in say so tie expose na ye na most of them there is a similarity amongst all of them omotonton niema and then we don't even want obi to associate papa din with sofubi papa do obi but oni mate e wonyame adwuma mu oni namfo onye namfo sem wonyame adwuma mu yesremo and then we don't need any association he has thrown the challenge therefore say so obi e wo baby now free say we buda odwa fa kwan bone so a na tu ho for honorable Kennedy kotena on the council. So who can't na senya no kra ono obeba wa abeche ni nsemu. And that is his point of vindication. Why you be that? Oh, baby, I need a friend of Hot FM. We also what happened. Later, Nipan be pacho, Emma Shumgi a day. I tell you, say, you can still not fight truth and win. Now, before you bet to also with Mr. Domingo, Eduardo Domingo, no, and then Mr. Domingo, can I say, or can say about occultic sacrifices, manipulation, murder, any pure deception. Now, at the dear bisu ababe kayensa, any threatening be ababe kayensa no. You ever place our video na mo bia etiebi any audios no. But your over program no so na wa share because enche ahabe she. Now you address in your be bia nanki em pese pampo be react to. But be ma papa kwa na react only a few minutes. I friend good man blessings. I think same say you saw ye juma or tabia TV. Now wakeka nsem bia your friend say in a part no he was a bit ignorant of the things he said. Papa be man a very mature reply because sometimes we become some net down from them cause anwa be you one. Many years to come was assembly down. So and in the year can be let's gather our fact right. I'm say papa no maintain the program severally. I a friend good man blessings. But on this note, no, I found that there are some statements that he made that he went too far. Even to the extent that he wanted to rubbish the whole Prophet Shoe program net down. You cannot do that. The host that day was Ohina Nakwamiamo. And in the journalism industry, you know, so you need to give him that respect. For you to say, a guy in the questions now no be on the crown and you're relevant. You don't show us the program we should do. You have your own TV station, you can decide to work there. Papa has his own platform and he decides to work on the Prophet Show. So even if you want to address whatever he said on the Prophet Show, give respect to the program, give respect to the host, the guest, and share your own thoughts and views. I believe, sir, we are in a democratic world. We are not going to zip your mouth, say, men cut the opposition. But let all be diplomatic in the way so democracy can work. It's the video way and come back. When we come back, we'll give him a very short reply, a mature one for that matter. Then we move quickly to Mr. Domingo. Now, Yakwaku think some more. But video when you're
is that. It's, because of social media, you feel that people, everybody, ecret, and of course, and no money sell. About money, I mean, first, I think, was it a time with pastors or time with prophet or something? Of what use is that interview? That interview, no, maybe share, no. Okay, Papa, you need the patterns you want, man. And 8, that's what we feel, so almost shy, almost shy, almost shadow with emotions. No more shadow, no more. Okay, no more idea. People will say, you raise insult on your president. So the man may kind of pain their show, say, we interview was an insult to our president, the fair gentleman of the land, I'm telling you, sir, as of for now, I'm quoting you, sir, as of for now, rebel, according to Rebel Zubempa, and a baby Hokano, Umdume, and a baby honor, and the Mimbu, almost saw me as of for. Come on, Papa. Me just sure, sir, officially, what I know in Ghana here, me just sure, officially. Any member of MPP appointed Rebel Zubempa said, or no official prophet of MPP party. Oh no! This is that. It's, because of social media, you feel that people, everybody, ecret, young favorable Zubempa, and you say, and of course, and no money sell. About money, I mean, first, I think, was it a time with pastors or time with prophet or something? Of what use is that interview? That interview, no, maybe share, no. Okay, Papa, you need the patterns you want, man. And 8, that's what we feel, so almost shy, almost shy, almost shadow with emotions. No more shadow, no more. Okay, no more idea. People will say, you raise insult on your president. So the man may kind of pain their show, say, we interview was an insult to our president, the fair gentleman of the land, I'm telling you, sir, as of for now,
Okay, so good man blessings. I am not a journalist. Reverend Kwame Amona a journalist. But you need to be circumspect as to how you array whatever you want to discuss, one, in order to do your work. Because minya journalism ejuma, any TV broadcasting ejuma no. I read about it, but whatever comment about passed on that day, you could have addressed it without attaching the MPP party. You stated categorically, say, and say, Adi Okayano is an insult to the president. and you now gave a statement of fact saying, say, of course, it means you wanted to hide under the shield of what the public will say to address Papa in whichever manner you wanted to address him. Until in that part, if we will not be skeptical, you are being hypocritical in that arena. I didn't know now who says of course, this is the meaning of it. So who hear explanation, not who hear program. Now per se program no valid, not program no a quote through without any distraction. Of course, if in quote it is not you looking for only attention. Now per se as a journalist, you could have found the number of Prophet Isaac Usbempa. It's been decades he passed that comment. Now per se be found one. He can grant you that podium. Say on my program so krana obemo wa dwinchere. You see, most of you journalists, you are the problem of this country. Because if we are coming to react to issues, we make phone calls. And before you ever address the issue, and we have called you so many times, but one fact, somebody gave us your number. And we'll go to Papa, then we'll ask him what he wants to say about it. So, Asemna or cancer, in any way, did it pinpoint an arena that shows that he has disrespected our president? Number two, or pass a comment be about Asofoni Bia or Mokosa program on that day. Whether he was invited or not, we have explained that. And no, it's nobody's business. And no, when we say best when the but don't you also passes our comment, Let's hear from the side of Prophet Isaac Osman. But Papa, I'm saying what here a branch 18 minutes video, but didn't mean playing now. But maybe I concentrating on more and say, or see when you some be. Or more emotional if you are not being emotional. Of course, program on also you are being emotional because you hear how passionate you want to pinpoint out mistakes are. You are equally an emotional journalist. And throw away emotions when you are dealing with issues. Also, or share as a na udio man penny attempt by comfort description. On us make me say it was an insult to him. Again, I saw for now through seat ni ebi ma homo on tia no say. Upon bacho ediana o can.
Okay.
That was that issue.
Also for Nyamishra. I'm say that gentleman no. My friend is saying.
Good man, blessings.
Yeah, good man. We a program no here.
Papa, I'm a Tabia TV.
Tabia TV.
Gotcha.
Good man. Tabia TV. My friend more than 4 times, but I'm say one fa. I know say maybe unni me number ntine bi a one fa no. Ka fa ya anka me man reply kra wo ye show yi so.
Yep.
But one fenti na me ma answer. The me person me ma oti ase ne say answer na me owusu bempa me ba out aba be kan bibi na me wonyina so na me nim the reason why ntia me yesa. Denti na ye program Nana Adodanko Kufuado any asofo nhia mu ho asem ba mu amanyokuofuo bi esre owusu bempa edi owusu bempa ho few se ono na esie se oye MPP sofo meso nyina ba bia kranka se me MPP sofo
Okay.
ono na esie se oye oman pani adamfo meso nyina ba bia nka se me oman pani adamfo enso so oman pani fra sofo no ya mfra na anka ho bi ema binum kura ka se won se MPP fo yusu no ato na twene ball aso very sad utie radio stations bi any radio presenters bi omo dwan ya manyokuo bi a omo di me ho few ebi kura sheda eba Facebook ebe di osu bempa ho few asofo bebrebe na ya mfre omo eso osu bempa nko na me be topic e wo Ghana ha radio stations craft bebrebe frɛ me say na adenti na ɔman pani ɛne asofo ohia na osu bempa sɛ de ɔman pani no ti pa no wan frɛ wan ka ho bi ɛnu nti na ma me ba be yi ma no na ma no yi me yi no man ka bɔne de me ka ye ne sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a ɔman pani ne asofo ohia ɛna me ya invite me sanso bi kura ka sɛ asofo papa fo na Ghana ha no pɛ ɛna ɔman pani invite wɔ mo na ɔman pani invite wɔ mo no mo nyina ɔmo yɛ fake kyɛ sɛ ɔmo nyɛ papa sana na nkrofo pi so ka ye radio presenters bi kura kan amanyokuo mi mpo kan na deɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ me di kakra no ɔman pani hyiae ansa na ɔne asɔfoɔ no kɔ akɔhyia ɛmpare me ɔwusu bɛmpa sɛ mɛka sɛ tie ɔman pani ɛnsɛm a meka no wɔ ha no mopa yɛbɛpile de akyerɛ mu ama obi ahu sɛ mandidi ɔman pani atam menyɛ bi so da san sɛ age wise ɔman pani wanyini kyɛn me ɛna no na nkyɛn wɔyɛ Ghana nyinaa man pani wɔyɛ first gentleman ɛwɔ saa nation wei sei mu wopɛ ɔyɛ ɔman pani na sɛ woka sɛ sɔfoɔ so bɛmpa ɛnsɛm no kaeɛ no indirectly waka sɛ tie ɔman pani na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo a I believe sɛ Ghana ha wode nipa 10 gyina ɔnom obi anye deɛ woka ni sɔfoɔ so bɛmpa na ɔman pani ayɛ Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo sɛ sɔfoɔ so bɛmpa bɛdi de Nana Akufo-Addo atam me se obi bia wɔ Ghana akwadaa mpo a megye tum sɛ meka ne nyansɛm mu a ɛwɔ kasakoa mu a mɛka sɛ yɛwo ne nempo nyi ntom so so bɛmpa bɛtumi akasa tia Ghana man pani deɛ nti no sɛ mekasa tia Ghana man pani ɔnyɛ bɔne ɔbɛtena Ghana konya so yi menhunu bɔne bi a wɔna mamuo no ɛna menhunu sɛbe ade bɔne bi a menya nyinaso aka ɛde atia Ghana man pani rada ne mmom deɛ mehu nneɛma papa mehu mmɔden mu a ɔrebɔ mehu nnwuma papa a ɔreyɛ enti deɛ nti no ɔsɛ me indirectly yɛafra asɔfoɔ ne amfrɛ me nti ɔsɛ mekasa tia Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo asɛm a mekaayɛ ma menka nkyerɛ wo se meka sɛ mesom bo kyɛ asɔfoɔ no ɔmakɔhyia mu hɔ nyinaa mepa kyɛw manka ne saa deɛ mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ mese ɔma ɔmu kɔhyiaeɛ no asɔfoɔ no binom wɔ mu a me ɔso bɛmpa I don't trust them and I don't believe them na ɔma anyɛ nyamedwuma anyame eti mu a muhuru me sɛ Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo afrɛ asɔfoɔ a ɔmu yɛ apapa ɛna akɔhyia ne yɛmfrɛ ɔso bɛmpa kyerɛ sɛ ɔso bɛmpa yɛ fake no munya saa asɛm ne ka na the reason why I make us asɔfoɔ no bi wɔ mu a me ɔso bɛmpa na I don't regard them and I don't respect them no meaning the America na sɛ wopɛ sɛ mekyerɛ the reason why I make us no ntina na nka mefrɛ ɔfon so no ɛna me sɛ wo sa ba out ɛsan bɛda me biem anaa ba out bɛka nsɛm no biem a mɛbɔ asɔfoɔ koro no din na makyerɛ the reason why I make us asɛm
okay
san sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛwɔ Ghana ha ɛna ɔsɔfo bi timi de me ɔso bɛmpa gyina ne pulpit mu ɛka sɛ ade a ɔso bɛmpa aka no bia na afoɔ nkɔnkɔkye no yɛma bia na afoɔ nkɔkye ɔso bɛmpa minim ɔsɔfo bi wɔ mu a wagyina na asɔdam aka da sɛ Nana Addo ntimi nya Ghana president da ɛnso so yɛfrɛ asɔfo no yɛfrɛ no kan na me feel sɛ nkɔ bi bato Kobi minim asɔfo bi ɔmahyia ma yɛ me ho meeting a me wɔ evidence a minim deɛ meka because of your man penny Nana Addo nti ɔmaka said they will bring ɔso bɛmpa down ana nkrɔfo free so ɔso bɛmpa nko na meyɛ politics ɛnya me nko a me se sɔfo bi a ɔno so kɔ hɔ bi because of MPP ya tag ɔso bɛmpa with ɛne Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo saa nipa no minim ne a ɔman penny de ayɛ ne nti wɔka kyerɛ asɔfo bi ɔmo hyia mu ɛma asɔfo no bi baako ka kyerɛ me plain sɛ ɔsɔfo no kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛbrɛnge me ɔso bɛmpa down na ampa so ɔsɔfo no gyina na sɔre dɛm ɛkɛsɛ tia ɔso bɛmpa ɛne me ministry ɛma me kɔ report no ma asɔfo pani bi ɛma asɔfo mpanifo bi ne me hyia mu ne me kasae ɛma me pɔ me heart ɛkyerɛ wɔ mo ɛma ɔmo ka sɛ minya no ɔmo ne bɛkasa a meeting no ɔwɔ hɔ bie a one status of udi anyame eti sɛ meka masɛm a na minim deɛ meka ɛnya asɔfo kɔ yɛ nyinaa ɛna meka sɛ me ɔso bɛmpa me kyɛn wɔ mo but before God and man metimi asa ka sa repeat biem sɛ asɔfo no kɔ ani ebi wɔ mu a ɔmo ngye me ɔso bɛmpa me ministry ntum entimi so me nyɛ ɔmo ministry ntum because Pharisee for no reject Jesus ni Jesus so reject Pharisee for no enti no so reject me ministry a na so person bring me ministry down I dey lift you ministry up man I will never sit down for you to bring my ministries down because I have fivefold ministries who believe so you apostle obi so believe so you prophet obi so believe so you evangelist obi so believe so you pastor and as a teacher ni nyina ka ho and I have fivefold ministries yes and unti so bring also bempa ministry down Now they are lifting ministry up. Me also bempa me so I will never sit down for you to do that. And to all respect me too, I will respect you. Because so from Koshia, me respect bipa, me respect majority of them. But few be I don't respect them. Because of said you must treating me also bempa Ghana Krumha. Young and Ghana Krumhanum. And when you be a manima me who say, and surely Jabi, a foul maimu, a kunkum crofo bebrebe or maimu, so for be a begina hope, didi matem, cassetia me, can't send me crowd to say, pap me to send me be papa be a cramian for my seminary, the Emma be an afonko to Subempa. Sa soften no ono so ka hu bi. Soften no gina na so dem. E ka se me mission come say vice president bewu. E na me san soma evil spirits mom kokum vice president. Sa soften no ono so ka hu bi. Enti no asma me kan ye no. Sa soften no mu wo mu no nim say they don't like me Osubempa. Me there I don't hate them. But I know say omo at time me. But me mental omo but the person me kire ne say Only ministry to miss me new ministry to. That's all. Only ministry to miss me new ministry atum. Parasi for no. Na omo any yesu nyadwene. Yesu so catch omo say mo so mo nyama bia mo ye na nyamu nyai. Enu nti no. Ni nua good man. Ah wo to no makeka sa say. Mesi asofo ni binim wo mu a menje omo ministry ntum. Asofo ni bi no ma omo nye sofo nchen me. It's true me kan and it's true so. Asofo ni bi omo a me here nyamdwuma kra na bi nya nyamdwuma me ka no kra kyero e bia yo so Empire small boy and na me ka mo ate ase say asofo ni bi omu a because of political and as a politics intino as madan omu enemy me will prove and I know what I'm saying and to so samba out esamba yes our video no e bia ma member out e the proofs asamba e the akyero mo hu say said you also Empire can no with yoka member with voices o ma share mu ye meeting na bakwa recording omo na woni me ahia no obokyere na metie ba kokura de osofo no frɛ no wɔ no office e man se okaka che osofo no me ko osofo no kan nyina kyem ka kyem say me careful about that man so you don't know what you are talking about ye nyina ye hia ama ba ko mo humia no omuna ba bia me ni be hia bia humia no omuna saa time kura no na asem bia kura ma me ka bibia eso humia no omuna me nya ne bone me need the reason why tia wo yes ah tia ma me so ma twe me ho to no timbem nam so me timba bi enti me nyusu sa west na we yusu ye no se me ka say asofo ni bi wo ma I don't respect their ministry enu nti chese ma cassette ya Ghana man pani ensema me ka ye no sa asofo ni bi wo ma me nyu mu ministry ntum na asofo ni bi wo ma o ma anye sofo anyame ano mu nya sofo nchen me no enchese ma cassette ya Ghana man pani your kind no is over the bar please asofo the me person me can say good man may I have nothing against you because me nimo but ebe to me asambra out na wonsoma kan be twesan nanka woni me nka so ofun so ka meka nsem bia kire wa mentimi nka kasa fidie so ka meka huntasem bia kire asande voices bi dia brew ama watie meetings bia asofo no mkohia ye ne ebinum hia mu ye meeting nsem bi o mka me ho ama nka you be surprised so don't go there and small kan na doso pa wo say when na ye Osubempa MPP sofo me pa cho good man me nyina baabi anka da se me enam de MPP ba power me nka bi so da because me nyame na sin nyame no to hwene ena me so me mfa ho me ho da se o man pani adamfo ne me ana se ena me so no man pani be president me nka bi da me nka bi so da ena me so me nyintum se na me so no man pani be president me nyintum eye nyame na na odo o man pani be tena Ghana konya so nyame Osubempa enti please get me right men ko gina ba bi nka se na hwan ena ye Osubempa no MPP prophet da ben na me gina ba bi aka se me ye MPP prophet da ben na me maka sa asem oh mua sa media foi mua na mo toton momoni hye yanum ye kasa so mo yanum eyi hwa please be careful because me sure out no kura me nyini so wanyini chen me ena won se me be kasa kwam the respect am wo de check your phone ma me mo me number nkyerɛ na check it ana ya be pon me bo me number wo bonsu ma throw more than 4 or 5 times e wo phone no so one fa ka fire kam no be kasa nicely anka me makra me kasa asma me ken but se manyima no ade be chu bon se enenam so Osubempa di na nakufu ado atem Osubempa di na nakufu ado atem afo bon se cover viral na de otie ya ante de otie yeso amusam ye hu ase kire na enenam so osu bempa odidi Ghana mampani atemu osu bempa na ye di matem sa asma be keka yi se me didi Ghana mampani atem indirectly and sma me kan ye eya sofo asem na ye ka na mampani ade ne ba mu ye asma me kan kra ma mampani din me se asofo ni bi o ma me minje o mu ministry ntum na me na nim the reason anti am kan sa please me nim the anti am kan sa and I'm right and you dare me me ba be prove ana de opa me number 050 okay me de me number betu dwa nanka onfre ana se me akra me san frɛ na mema proof among sa asofo na omukoko hia mu no ebinim na me ka se me nyomu ni a you will understand me because ebinim hia di matem da bia in the name of politics enti se me ka please someone tias ya kama no tum sa video na be ye no san kwotwe san please san kwotwe san because me nyina ba bia nka se me MPP sofo ena me nyina ba bia nka se eye me mpa bo na de MPP ba power me nka bi da me nka bi so da because me nyanya please be careful.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, you are a good man. I think that the next time, no, when I'm best, let me scrutinize your video very well. But Papa Kasa, do the right thing. Papa Fro, we're born the first number. You can call him so you talk on phone. Or no only journalist in Pono. But tears and won't say or Fro. But so what you say, what share now, one tears here. You were in the haste to rubbish him off. Now, we'll come back to Mr. Domingo.
Also,
Mr. Domingo, you said you had
my last number is 74.
74. Okay.
Good. 74. To who number be last number is 75. Yeah.
All right. So we'll come to Mr. Domingo, or because when we are done, you have more attacks be about through audios from soft become, which of course because I was speaking to him before. Mr. Domingo, what
I was just listening to what transpired between the guy you put on the
screen. Okay.
Now I examined. They gave me a degree in England for human behavioral studies. Okay. Human behavioral studies.
Okay.
And I believe I'm gifted by God even to see your picture and be able to say a little bit about who you are.
Okay.
Now, when I look at this chap on the telly, if I were the one who hired you, I will fire you immediately after the program because you are mercenary. Well, you don't know the job at all. Here you can be pretending in Africa where people take mediocrity for success.
That's right.
When I look at you, you expect a whole prophet or a leader of a church who has common sense and gift to build such a church to not know that President Akufo-Addo is president of Ghana? Even if I hated him, I can never be so stupid as to come up with your efficient, what you were talking about. You spoiled the job. You are an agent provocateur. That French said, people who are mercenary who just want to cause problems. Disaffection is what you're after.
That's right.
You want to cause disaffection between the man of God and the president.
The president.
President is the father of the nation. All these stupid people will not be mindful of how they deal with him. You are a moron. The way I see, I mean, there's no common sense in all you did.
You're talking of the one that was hosting.
Yes, the guy was hosting. He doesn't know the job at all. If I hired you, I'll collect my money from you immediately. Well, you don't know the job. How can you? Who will believe you that?
Mr. Domingo, you are assessing him on human
behavioral factors.
Okay.
Because I look at you, I see that you're irrelevant. Absolutely.
Okay.
Well, how can you expect someone to be so stupid? If you are stupid enough to come and go and say you want to buy the fingers that feed you, I mean, not everybody is stupid. Nobody can believe you, unless Ghana has become a country of morons. I mean, you are moronic. Please don't do this kind of thing again. And if they want to send you to go and cause disaffection, they must train you better because journalistic ethic is zero.
Okay.
I'm just looking at you. I'm an onlooker, but you are a disgrace to the profession. I'm telling you.
All right. Mr. Domingo, I'm going to play this audio right now. When we are done, we'll come back to the...